Stop.
Okay. I heat the water in the kettle on the stove and observe what happens when the water boils. When the water boils, ya Abdul Halim, what happens when the water boils? Do you want to
Water evaporates.
Bravo. So it changes from which state to what? To which state?
Good to gas. Good to gas.
Bravo. It changes from liquid to gas. Thank you, Abdul Halim. Here we have the 3 states of matter, okay? When something melts, my students, Brahim Abbas, when something melts, it changes from which state to Brahim? Okay, Ranim, you can help. In the melting state, what happens when something melts?
When something what?
Melts.
I cannot hear you.
When something melts.
Yeah.
What happens? It changes
from solid to liquid.
Excellent.
Melting. Yes, I cannot hear because he's talking. I couldn't hear you.
Okay, fine. Ibrahim, when something freezes, it changes from
liquid to solid.
From liquid to solid. Can you give me an example of something freezing from liquid to solid?
Water to ice.
Water to ice. Jude, can you explain the evaporation and give an example?
Evaporation, heat water,
okay.
You boil it and let it boil.
Okay, then it changes.
Water changes to gas.
Bravo, water changes from liquid to gas. Thank you, Jude. This was an experiment that you can try at home. What was it? I'm going to read it briefly and then we answer the questions together. I placed the ice cube in the transparent plastic cup. Then I covered the cup with a plastic wrap. I placed the cup at a sunny window. I observed changes after what? After 30 minutes until the sun sets. Let's see what happened. What happened? Number 1, ice is the solid state of matter. Ya Iba, is it yes or no? Ice is the solid state of matter.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Mahdi Moghni. To change ice to liquid, we take away heat. To change ice to liquid, from solid to liquid, to change the ice to liquid, we take away heat or we put heat or we add heat?
We add heat.
Of course, so this is no. To change liquid water to water vapor, yeah. Who is Hanan Moghni?
That's Zainab Ruwe. Sorry, we didn't have a chance to change the name.
No, fine. It's okay. Answer, like you can answer. To change liquid water to water vapor, okay? We add heat or we take away heat?
Add heat or take away heat?
To change liquid,
you add heat or you take away heat?
From شو بصير water drops they come.
No, wait. I was reading.
Yes, same illa. We add.
Change liquid water to water vapor. We add heat. Is it yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, Habiba. Okay. Yara Hussein. Steam or water vapor is the liquid state of water?
No.
No. Okay, I will answer the last one. It's fine. Water vapor can be changed back to water. Yes, we can change water vapor back to water. I will explain how. It's the water cycle. Let's read this one together. Please, if you have any questions while I'm explaining, you can interrupt me. I will explain, Jude and Maryam and everyone, before I ask questions. Listen to me first. Everyone, listen very well. What is the water cycle? I'm going to explain the 4 stages of water cycle, or the 3 stages. First, the sun heats water. This is the first thing, okay? When sun heats water, it evaporates or changes into gas. This is the first stage. Then water vapor rises up in the sky, okay? And the cold air changes it to water droplets. And this water droplets change to, who can tell me?
Clouds. Miss Liquid. Condensation.
Hala, stop now. Let's stay muted. To clouds. Someone said clouds. Bravo. The cold air changes the water droplets, forming clouds. Then when the cloud is too heavy, what's happening now outside? It's raining.
Rain.
Bravo. It rains. So when the cloud is too heavy, water falls back to earth. It can fall back as rain or snow. It falls as snow. What?
Precipitation.
Okay, wait. So when it falls back as water, yani rain or ice, this is called what? The condensation, okay? Then after condensation, what happens?
Precipitation.
Yeah, but after condensation, precipitation happens. It's when the rain returns to earth. This is called precipitation after condensation, okay? So the movement of water is called the water cycle. Okay?
Water cycle. Yes, okay.
Okay, now I'm going to ask, I'm going to read and I'm going to ask. Please don't, let's stay muted now. Okay, the blank heats water, causing it. What heats water, ya? Jude Fawaz. What heats water?
The sun.
Jude Fawaz. Okay, the sun heats water. Okay, great. Now, Malik, the sun heats water, causing it to evaporate. Thank you. Huda Watfa, can you read the second sentence?
Water vapor rises high up in the sky there where the gold air
Excellent. Water vapor
change it back to water, forming cloud.
Water vapor rises up in the sky where the cold air changes it back to water, forming clouds. Did we understand when our clouds formed?
Yes.
Understand, everyone? Any questions before I move on?
Yes. No.
Any question before I continue?
No.
Ali Bazoon,
No.
Mahdi, everyone. If I forget any name, it's fine, okay?
No.
Rahim, understood? Zainab Abdullah?
Yes.
Okay. When the cold, when the cloud is too heavy.
Me.
Who said me?
When the cloud is too heavy, rain is gonna come.
When the cloud is too heavy, water falls back to earth as, yeah, Lauren, as what?
As rain.
Yes. As
Tiny little pieces.
okay. So, if the air temperature is freezing, okay, the water drops freeze and fall down as? You can tell me. Jude, Abdul Halim, you can talk. As?
Snow or sleet.
Bravo. Snow or sleet. Jude, can you read the sentence from the rain?
Okay. The rain, snow, sleet, or hail that return to earth after
Condensation.
condensation occurs is called.
Okay, it's called what? Jude, Juni, you can help.
Yes.
It's called what? What happens after condensation?
Let's
Jude, Juni help.
precipitation.
Precipitation. So the rain, snow, sleet, or
Precipitation.
bravo. Returns to earth after condensation occurs is called precipitation. So you have to remember, precipitation, it's when the rain or snow falls back to earth, okay? Mahdi Moghniye, can you read the last sentence and answer and fill in the blank, please?
No.
Mahdi, okay, wait, let me give chance to Muhammad and Hussein Khalifa. I will help you read, okay? But I want to hear you reading. Muhammad and Hussein Khalifa.
Okay.
Okay.
No.
Movement. I want to hear you, Muhammad and Hussein, please.
Movement.
Okay.
Water cycle.
Bravo. The movement of water from the Earth's surface into the air and back to the Earth surface is called the water cycle. Any questions regarding the water cycle? Any questions regarding the water cycle? Is it fine?
Yes. Fine.
What happens first? Is it
Everything is fine.
what happens first? Is it condensation or precipitation? What happens first?
Condensation.
Bravo.
No.
It's condensation. Precipitation happens after condensation. Yes, miss.
Miss, I did the experimentation.
You did the experiment. You can send it to me by WhatsApp and explain what's happening, okay?
Miss? Okay.
Now let's do the worksheet.
From liquid to solid.
You can send it to me. Any questions about the water cycle?
No.
Okay, let's stay mute.
No. I have the worksheet.
Any questions?
Yes, me.
No question.
Okay, I can hear you. You tell me.
I know all about the water cycle. The water cycle, the sun heats the water, then the water goes up to the clouds. it makes clouds, then the rain comes down.
Excellent. When
Then
the clouds
the
are
rain
heavy, it falls as
goes.
rain and precipitation occurs. This is the water cycle. It's very easy. Mariam, did you understand?
I know about the water.
طيب حبيبي, let's stay muted. Mariam, Hamoud, you're fine with the water cycle. Jude, Juni.
Yes.
Okay, حبيبي. Let's go to the worksheet.
Yes.
You can start the worksheet. It's in your now I'm going to everyone on you. Abdul Halim, any question?
I don't have the worksheet. I make the
Worksheet everyone now. You're not allowed to unmute yourself. خلاص. Abdul Halim, any question?
No.
Okay, Habiba. Look, if you have the science book, this worksheet, it's in your science book, only the last page. So you can bring your science book and let's work together. If you have the science book. And if you don't have the science book, you print the worksheet. Okay, here we have number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 5. Number 5, it's not shown, but I will explain it. I'm going to choose, look, you can unmute yourselves, but please let's speak one by one. Okay, you can help me. Number 1, Hussein Sroor. Can you explain what's number 1?
It's the sun. It's the sun.
Hussein Sroor, can you explain number 1? This is number 1. Can you see number 1 in the picture?
It's the sun.
It's the sun. What is the job of the sun and with the water cycle?
Raise the water to the sky.
Bravo. It heats the water.
Evaporation.
Ali Al-Hajj Hussein, what's number 2? Thank you, Hussein. What's number 2?
number 2 شو اسمه لما تكونوا living
Condensation.
Bravo. Jude Juni, can you explain number 3 and Abdul Halim number 4?
Number 3.
Yes.
Number 3.
Yes. What's number 3? Precipitation. Let's say it together. Precipitation. So precipitation. You can see the water or the rain falling. So this is precipitation. Bravo. Abdul Halim, can you tell me about number 4?
Miss,
Yes.
there is condensation and sun and precipitation, evaporation and water. There are 5 and there's only 4 lines.
Wait, I will tell you where is number 5. Wait. Abdul Halim, can you tell me what's number 4?
Evaporation.
Bravo. Why? Because we can see the arrows going up, right?
Now I'll tell you where's the 5.
Because we can see the arrows. Let's stay muted if we're not answering. Bravo, because we can see the arrows going up, so it's evaporation. Ranim and everyone, number 5 is this down, the water. Okay? Number 5 is the water. Can you see number 5?
Not water, but these lines, when you've got to write sun or condensation, which one is the first and second? There's no 5.
Habiba, here number 5. It's only about the picture. Only the picture.
Oh.
If you see the number, this is the number 5. It's only when you see the numbers, okay?
I see them.
Okay. So this is the water. It's precipitation. So when the water goes down, okay? Understood? So we didn't use the word water, but this is the water. You can write water, you can write precipitation. It's when the water falls down back to earth. Understood?
Yes.
Any questions before I
Yes.
move on? Mahdi?
No.
No.
This is the same as the lecture. So it's the same, but we're gonna do it. Brahim Zalhoud, the blank heats water. What heats water?
Sun.
Sun, bravo. Salman, I think I didn't say your name yet. Causing it to blank or change into gas. So what's the second word of changing into gas?
Teacher, what? The gas, the air.
Salman. Causing it to Hussein Sulaiman, you can answer. Causing it to evaporate. No one can answer? Evaporate. Who's
I said it in the chat.
An Kenan Gharib. I think it's Ahmad Gharib, right?
No. Yes.
Okay, Ahmad. Water vapor rises up in the sky where the blank air changes it back to water. Where the cold air, okay? When the cloud is too heavy, Mariam Musa. When the cloud is too heavy, water falls back to earth as rain. Okay?
If the air temperature
Huda, if the air temperature is freezing, the water drops freeze and fall down as?
No, and the sleep.
Bravo. Ali Aysam Bazoon. The rain, snow, sleet, or hail that return to earth after condensation is called
Precipitation.
precipitation. So the movement of water from earth and back to earth is called, Ya Batul? It's called water cycle. Let's match this one. Now the word collection, it's new, but it's very easy. Collection is, who can tell me? Jude. Collection.
Yeah. Water running from the land to the sea.
Okay, Anna, I'm not saying Jude Juni or Jude Fawaz. Thank you, Jude Fawaz. Jude Juni, can you explain precipitation?
Precipitation?
Yes.
Precipitation is
Which one?
when
Is it when water vapor in the atmosphere or in the air turns into water? Oh, this one. Is it rain, snow, sleet from rain?
which one?
Okay, listen. Precipitation, it's when rain, snow, and sleet from rain clouds. Okay?
Yeah.
Condensation, it's when the water vapor in the atmosphere turns into water. It happens before the precipitation, okay?
I think we were doing it on the book.
No, this one, in the worksheet. And evaporation, it's when sun heats the water and the water dries up and goes up, forming clouds. And when the cloud is heavy, water falls back
Down.
Now I'm here. Everyone, any question, but let's speak one by one. I'm going to call names first. Zainab, I didn't hear you. Did you understand the water cycle?
Yes.
Is it easy?
Yes.
Okay. If you have any question, raise the computer hand and I'll say your name.
No. No.
Ibrahim,
No.
Mahmoud and Hussein, I guess.
Yes, I have a question.
Okay, yalla ask.
Today my dad will bring for me a bird.
Okay, say hi to your new bird, your new pet. Mariam Musa, any question?
No.
Max,
Yes,
I want to ask you a question.
yes, Yara, I can hear you.
We are moving into a new I mean house.
This is not a question. You are telling me something.
Question?
You're not asking.
Okay, question. I don't know.
Okay, bravo. Abdul Halim. Any question?
Oh,
I have a question.
Who said I have a question?
Me and Nurhan.
Okay, ask me. Yalla.
Teacher, do you know I have a stories and I read it every day.
You have a story and you read it all? Lamar,
Yeah.
I can't hear you. Bravo. It's nice to read. So we're done with the lecture for today. And now go and take a look at the rain outside and imagine how water cycle happens. When what happens?
heavy rain. I have heavy rain.
And I have heavy rain too. So when it's sunny,
Me too. I have a heavy rain.
the water goes back.
Heavy rain.
It's rain. It's rainy day. Mahdi, any question about the water cycle?
No.
No, okay. Let's take a look at the rain as I told you. And imagine how water cycle happens. When it's sunny, the sun meets the water goes up, it falls down to earth. I can see it, Ranim. I can see it. Okay, we're done. And as I told you, for the worksheet, you can solve in your science book. Okay?
I make it in my science book.
Good girl.
Great
Great job.
low.
Jude, you can solve in your science book, okay?
Okay.
Have a good day, everyone. The Zoom end. Any question?
No.
Bye. Everyone, have a good day. I love you all.
Love you too. Love you too.
Clara, I can hear you still. I can hear you. Tell me.
It's raining now a lot. Oh my God. Goodbye, teacher.
I love you, students.